My name is Thomas from Beehive Science and Technology Academy. I am doing my STEM project. My project is called Sink or Swim Surface Tension. This is my experiment. In one bowl, in this bowl, I put salt water, 4 tablespoons of salt in it with 6 cups of water, and I put 6 cups of water in this one too. There's no salt. To test surface tension, I am going to pour rice on the aluminum, 1 tablespoon worth of rice. See which one sinks first. Salt didn't sink. This one's starting to go down. See, it's going down. This one isn't. And it's falling, it's falling. And it has sunk. So let's try 2 tablespoons of rice, and it's starting to fall. My conclusion is that with the added salt water, it made the water denser, so the aluminum did not sink first. Thanks for watching. Bye.